This video will consist of two methods to get Shopify data to Google Sheets using 2-minute report. Method 1. Get your data to Sheets using 2-minute report sidebar. Method 2. Get your data to Sheets using templates. Starting off with Method 1. First, click on Extensions and choose 2-minute reports. Now select the Launch button. Once the sidebar is open, choose Data Sources and click on Add. Start naming your data source and choose the type of data source below. Choose Shopify as your data source. Now, you can select the app type and choose your desired method. You can either choose Method 1 for store admins or Method 2 for Shopify partners. Once you choose your method, you need to copy-paste your access token or API secret from your Shopify admin portal and click Test and Save. Choose Yes to save your newly created data source. Let's move on to the Data Queries section. Start naming your query and add the newly created data source from the drop-down below. You can now choose your desired metrics from the listed categories below, like sales, orders, products, etc. from your Shopify account, and within that consists total sales amount, orders, inventory quantity, etc. Once you choose your metrics for your Shopify report, it is time to categorize your metrics with its specific dimensions. In dimensions, you have categories like time, store, product, etc., which consist of date, store name, product name. You get to choose your desired date range for your metrics and dimensions. We can either use the default date ranges or use custom date range. Choose the sheet and cell location on where your data wants to be displayed. Finally, click on Run Query to get the data displayed on Sheets. Click on Yes to save the query. Our query data will be displayed in Sheets and the saved query would be visible in the sidebar. You can now edit the query by clicking on the pencil icon. Make any change and click on Save below. You also have options to delete the query and make a copy of it. Method 2. Connecting Shopify to Google Sheets using templates. In this method, we click on Extensions, choose 2-minute reports and select Templates. You would land at the Template Gallery. You get to search or filter your data source and choose your desired templates. Once you select your template, click on Use. Now add your data source name if you already have one, or create a new data source if you don't have one. Choose a spreadsheet where you want your template to be copied. Click on Go to New Spreadsheet to open your template. Once the template is open, click on Extensions, 2-minute reports and launch. Once the sidebar is open, click on Run All Queries. Now you would have all your data filled in the template. Hope you learned both the methods to get Shopify data to Google Sheets.